What's up guys? So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a charging station for your equipment. I'm just so tired of looking all over the place when I need a charger, and now I decided to do a charging station. Hopefully it will help me organize and save me a lot of time. Alright, step 1. Let's go shopping. Oh, I forgot, someone's driving me to the store.
Baby, you don't have to blush every time I ask.
Okay, let's start shopping for the materials that we need.
Baby, you don't have to blush every time I ask you out. Might as well get used to it, baby.
I bought some extra things, but I recommend you guys just get the cable organizers, pegboard, zip tie, Velcro tape, and a small basket.
And you don't have to thank me every time I bring you things. Might be flowers or chocolate, or even a diamond ring. I can tell.
Step 2. The setup. This is like. Alright, let's start putting everything where they are supposed to be. I'm still not sure with the arrangement, so I keep moving it around until I'm satisfied with it. Alright, let's put the Velcro tape with the sticky back on every charger. With this, it is easier to remove when you need to travel. Then suddenly, someone arrives. I met these two talented artists less than 3 years ago, and they are becoming one of my closest friends here. I skate with them and they also produce music, and here are some of their work.
Ang utak ko ay tahimik, sumisisid lang sa gilid, pinipilit makasingit, panaginip at
Right. Click here.
Every night I wonder how you've been.
Right here.
Jape. So Instagram right here. So yeah.
There. And there and there and there and there.
They got some food to eat and hang out for the rest of the night. Alright, let's get back and finish the charging station.
It's not the same as yesterday. I'm glad we met. I learned from you. Oh, I know it's all over.
So I just finished arranging everything, and it's time to put in a wall.
Never flee. It's not the same as yesterday.
And also, don't forget those cable organizers to hold the cables in place. That's pretty much how you make a charging station. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you guys, and I'm gonna start cleaning while you guys enjoy the review.
La, la.